Hey there guys, what's up and welcome to Finance Ninja. How exciting does it sound to earn money just by downloading apps? Yes guys, money-making apps are a reality that helps you earn little cash enough to be your pocket money. There are several such apps requiring you to either take surveys, upload pictures, etc. to earn some cash. You'll be surprised to know about download 10 apps equals earn $4,810 or one app equals $481 super easy. Free make money online. Number 10. Money App. Money App can easily be downloaded for both iOS and Android. It's an app for market research that makes you play games, complete tasks, give opinions, test services, and give free trials. Each time a task is completed, you'll get a reward. These rewards can then be redeemed as cash via a PayPal account. This app pays you within 3 days of redeeming the rewards. Usually, such a quick service of payment doesn't happen with research apps. Payment is done once a month or there are no cash rewards at all. So all that needs to be done is download the app, play, and earn. The estimated amount for each month that can be earned via the Money App is $481. This sounds very tempting. Just a couple of quick tasks and you have your money in the wallet. Do give it a try. Number 9. iPoll. iPoll is also a customized research app available for both iOS and Android. There are a variety of ways of earning money through this app that includes taking market surveys or writing down diaries regarding consumption of any product of a particular category. The first step is to register on the app and fill out basic information about your consumption habits, preferences, etc. to get the right missions for you. Each mission is based on the location and preference of a user. The best part about this app is the customization. Hence, every time there's a mission based on a user's preference, the user is notified about it. What's better than earning cash by simply taking surveys and completing small missions? Number 8. FOAP. FOAP is perfect for photographers looking to earn money via their photos. All they need to do is download this app and sell their pictures taken on the smartphone. The app is available for iOS and Android. FOAP is considered to be a crowdsourcing platform for brands, advertising, and marketing agencies where they buy pictures and images from the users registered on FOAP. There are around 2.5 million people on this app earning money. All that needs to be done is to register for an account and upload pictures taken along with tags. They're then rated by the community. The higher the rating, the higher the price a user would get. Per sale, earnings can be as low as $5 and can go up to $100. Brands can make requests for specifications in the image as well. Certain missions are also present that include adding videos and selling them. Now, photographers shouldn't worry about random shots they take. Number 7. Fluid Market. Vehicles are very common nowadays. However, certain people still don't own them. Well, now those not having vehicles or having idle vehicles have the chance to earn money. Fluid Market is a sharing economy app that's available for both Android and iOS. This app is basically for renting vehicles such as cargo vans, pickup trucks, box trucks, SUVs, etc. The app allows users to earn around $24,000 each year via renting out vehicles. They also offer options of renting out several other items such as drills, saws, hedge trimmers, as well as items that fall into the other category, platform shoes, a rowboat, and a tandem 2-person bike. Number 6. Swagbucks. Swagbucks allow instant ways to earn money. All you need to do is download the app and sign up. It's available for iOS and Android devices. The user gets $10 on sign up. It's a market research app that pays users for taking surveys, shopping online, or playing games. Watching videos will also help you earn cash. The app has a rating of 4 on Google Play and iTunes. The earned rewards can be redeemed from PayPal. The threshold of cashing out from Swagbucks is $2,500. Number 5. SlideJoy. SlideJoy is available exclusively for Android. This unique app pays for the lock screens of users. As soon as the app is installed, different ads appear on the lock screens. There's an option of additional ads on the home screen as well. This app is a source of passive income regardless of the fact if the ads have engagement or not. The income depends on the number of times the screen is unlocked. Surveys are another source of additional income. Number 4. Book Scouter. This app helps users earn money by simply selling used books at home. It's available for both iOS and Android. A person can easily earn by selling a few books. The buyer that buys the highest amount comes to the top so that the seller can get the maximum amount. Both new and old books can be sold on the Book Scouter app. The registration process after downloading the app is very simple. The next step is to scan the barcodes of the book. The shipment to the customers is free. Book Scouter has a review of 3.3 out of 5 on iTunes and a 3.9 rating on Google Play. There are chances that the offers to the books might disappear in some instances. Number 3. Toluna. Toluna is another market research app that's available for iOS and Android. The app allows users to get their payment using PayPal. The app gives rewards for either taking or creating surveys on multiple topics. Bonus points are also offered via these activities. The information on surveys is available on the webinars. Number 2. Userfeel. The Userfeel app is available for both Android and iOS users. The money is earned by taking usability tests. The rewards are given for visiting or exploring new websites, ongoing tasks on site, and giving feedback. The test length is approximately 10 to 20 minutes, for which $10 is paid via PayPal or Payoneer. The user is made to give an initial qualification test, which allows the user to record voice and screen. Number 1. Musely. Musely is a marketplace app that's meant for women to share advice and tips on eco-friendly beauty products, lifestyle advice, or anything between skincare to fitness. Musely allows buyers to choose from organic products such as toxin-free nail polish or all-natural lipstick. There are also products from new startups or home-based startups. It's a social platform for influencers to earn money. The user has to create their store, and earnings are based on a 20% sales commission on each recommended product. Musely pays their users on the 1st and 15th of the month. The app has a 4.7 rating on iTunes and 4.2 on Google Play. These are just some of the ways to earn money by simply downloading some cool apps and enjoying the tasks and missions. If you're a teenager and need some extra cash to fulfill your daily needs and requirements, then do check out these apps. It's safe and legitimate. Do let us know what you think about this in the comments down below. And also, before we get out of here, don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it. And if you wish to be notified of more money-making videos like this going forward, then all you have to do is subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. Until next time, take care and goodbye.